The cats nestle close to their kittens now. The lambs have laid down with the sheep. You're cozy and warm in your bed, my dear. Please go the fuck to sleep.
The windows are dark in the town, child. The whales huddle up in the deep. I'll read you one very last book if you swear. Go the fuck to sleep.
The eagles who soar through the sky are at rest, and the creatures who crawl, run, and creep. I know you're not thirsty. That's bullshit. Stop lying. Lie the fuck down, my darling, and sleep.
The wind whispers. The wind.
Okay, I'm sorry.
The wind whispers soft through the grass, hon. The field mice, they may not peep. It's been 38 minutes already. Jesus fucking Christ, you fucking piece of shit! What the fuck? Go to sleep.
That's not the lie.
No.
What are you, Improv-y McGee?
Yeah.
Holy fuck.